Here comes Pac-Man.
Yo! What is motherfucker?
Maggie's back!
I'm tired.
You lazy bitch!
Eat all the food!
Next time I'm bringing a GPS and a midnight snack.
6.5 hours later.
Ghosts! Some gotta go!
Paxter, calm down!
I went into that section marked dead end.
Yeah?
They're not kidding!
A paranormal attack of unprecedented proportions is underway. Like most Pack-Worlders, I don't believe in ghosts.
I'm gonna come.
But I'm willing to keep an open mind.
Did you see what I just saw?
Oh, yeah, I'm hard as a rock.
We now go to the Capitol, where President Spiros will address the nation.
And I provided the resources to other key ports and to help reduce congestion and undo damage caused by COVID. We also met with the CEOs of Walmart, Target, Home Depot, TJ Maxx, and others.
He does
Those
go on,
retailers
doesn't he?
largely...
This is all my fault.
Yeah.
The fact is, we need to alert the authorities, and fast!
FBI, open up!
I didn't do it on purpose. I stumbled into the door and it opened. It was a mistake.
Why don't you just take us home and we'll forget the whole thing?
Guess that would be a no. Mr. President?
Thanks for coming. I got the jailhouse blues. The low down jailhouse blues. Couldn't handle a couple of kids.
Whoa!
What's with the Mondo tree?
It's only the key to our very survival.
Wait, what?
Mr. President, ghost swarm heading this way.
Hey!
No, please! Don't eat us and spit out our eyeballs!
Besides, we taste awful.
That's true.
Yeah, especially Pinky.
Hey, do not!
Do too!
Do not!
Enough!
By the way, I happen to know that I taste delicious.
Really?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Let's get this over with.
No!
I'm hard as a rock.
Looks like we beat him back this time.
Not so much.
The tree of life. It's gone.
It's over. We've lost.